Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that when Abdullah bin Ubay died, his son came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Grant me your shirt, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so as to shroud him and perform prayer over him and beseech Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for his forgiveness." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam bestowed him his shirt and asked him to notify him so that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam might perform prayer over him. So he notified him. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to perform prayer over him, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu interfered with him and said, "Have not Allah Jalla Jalaluhu forbidden you from performing the prayer over the hypocrites?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He Jalla Jalaluhu, giving me both options, has said, ask you forgiveness of them or ask not. If you ask forgiveness for them 70 times, Allah will never forgive them." Surah At-Tawbah, verse 80. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed prayer over him. Then it was revealed, "And pray you never over any of their dead." Surah At-Tawbah, verse 84. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1269.